Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Najiha binti Muhammad Nizam and my metric number is 25DDT19F1038. Today I'm going to do practical task 2 for network security subject. In this practical task 2, we have 3 objectives. First, verify connectivity. Second, remote LAN network topology, and 1 network topology. In this assessment, the required resources is latest version of packet tracer and packet tracer file from Cisco Netacat CCNA Cybersecurity Operations. We will start with part 1, verifying connectivity. In this part 1, we have to verify IP address information for home network, verify IP address information for public network, verify IP address information for Cisco system network, verify IP address information for one network, verify can access other network from devices on home network to Cisco system network, and verify can access other network from devices on home network to public network. So we will go to PC0, desktop and common prompt, IP config. As we can see here, the IPv4 address is 192.168.1.101 and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. We will go to tablet 0, desktop and common prompt, IP config command. The IP address is 192.168.1.100 and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. We'll go to PC1. This is home network and this is Cisco network. We will go to PC1, desktop, common prompt, IP config. As we can see here, the IP address is 192.168.0.10 and the default gateway is 192.168.0.1. We'll check the laptop 0. Desktop, common prompt, IP config. The IP address is 192.168.0.11 and the default gateway is 192.168.0.1. We'll proceed to cisco.pka. We'll check the IP configuration, IP config command. The IP address is 192.168.0.254 and the default gateway is 192.168.0.1. We check the public DNS, desktop, common prompt, IP config. The IP address is 192.168.2.253 and the default gateway is 192.168.2.1. The last one is we'll go to web.pka, desktop and common prompt, IP config command. The IP address is 192.168.2.254 and the default gateway is 192.168.2.1. So we have to verify can access other network from device on home network to Cisco system network. So we'll go to PC0 from home network and open the web browser. Type the URL for Cisco system network, www.cisco.pka, and click go. Okay, it is successful. Welcome to www.pka.webserver. Then we have to verify can access other network from devices on home network to public network. So public network is web.pka. So we'll try www.web.pka and click go. It is successful. Welcome to www.web.pka website. Next, we will do part 2, Remote LAN Network Topology. First, observe the packet flow from home network device to public network and show the result of packet flow before IP address has been resolved and after IP address has been resolved. So we have to switch to simulation mode. Press Shift and S. Click Show All or None. And click Edit Filter. Click the D and S on IPv4 and HTTP on MIS. Then we have to go to PC0. Open the web browser. Type the www.web.pka and go. And to see the packet flow, just click the play. For DNS, it moved from PC0 to wireless router 0, cable modem 0, cloud 0, router 5 is, switch 0, switch 1 and public DNS, and it will reverse back to switch 1, switch 0 is, router 5, cloud 0, cable modem 0, wireless router 0 and PC 0. And for HTTP, which path did HTTP packet travel to display the web page? So from PC0, it moved to wireless router 0 and moved to cable modem 0, next to cloud 0 and router 5. Next is east, then go to switch 0. We'll move to switch 1 and to switch 2 next to web.pka. And it will move back to switch 2, switch 1, switch 0 is router 5, cloud 0, cable modem 0, wireless router 0 and PC 0 back. View previous event. Now we will switch to real-time mode. Shift and R. We have to delete the cable that connects switch 0 to switch 1. Go back to simulation mode. And open tablet 0, web browser. Try to connect to web.pka. So, with a broken link in the LAN, the path change from tablet 0 to wireless router 0, cable modem 0, cloud 0, router 5 is switch 0, and it will go to switch 2 first and then switch 1, after that public DNS, and it will reverse back to tablet 0. And we'll see the packet flow for HTTP. So for HTTP, it will start from tablet 0, wireless router 0, cable modem 0, cloud 0, router 5 is switch 0, switch to web.pka, and move back to switch 2, and switch 0 is router 5, cloud 0, cable modem 0, wireless router 0, and tablet 0. We will do part 3, which is the last part, one network topology. First, we have to observe the packet flow from home network device to Cisco system network. Show the result of packet flow before IP address has been resolved and after IP address has been resolved. Trace a route from Cisco system network device to public network. Record it and match the IP address in traced result with device in topology. Observe the packet flow from Cisco system network device to public network and show the result of packet flow before IP address has been resolved and after IP address has been resolved. So we will change to simulation mode. We will open the PC0 web browser and www.cisco.pka. Go. So which path did HTTP packet travels to display the web page? So we will play the packet flow. It moved from PC0 to wireless router 0 and cable modem 0, cloud 0, router 5, and then router 2, it will directly go to router 4, to west, switch, and then the cisco.pka. It will reverse back to switch and go to the PC0 back. Now we will change to real-time mode. And we will delete the cable that connect router 2 to router 4. And then change back to simulation mode and navigate the tablet 0 to cisco.pka. We will see how the path change after we delete the cable. So for HTTP, it will move from tablet 0 to wireless router 0, cable modem 0, cloud 0, router 5, router 2, and it will go to router 3 first, and then router 4, and then west, switch, then Cisco PKA, and reverse back to tablet 0. So with a broken link, it will go first to router 3 instead of just go to router 4 because the cable is gone. We will change back to real-time mode. We will go to step 2. Open the PC1 command prompt and do the trace it www.web.pka. Trace is complete. We have 7 trace. So we will compare the trace. First, we will check on west router, CLI. Show IP interface brief. As we can see, the west use the gigabit internet 0/1. The IP address is 192.168.0.1, and here is trace number 1, 192.168.0.1. To move to router 4, the serial 0/1/1. The IP address is 209.165.200.225, and here trace number 2, the IP address is 209.165.200.225. Then we will check on router 3. So the trace number 3 is 192.0.2.2, which is router 3 interface serial 0/0/0. The IP address is 192.0.2.2. Then we'll check trace number 5, which is router 5. Sorry, we will go to router 2 first. We will check on router 2. On router 2, serial 0/0/1. The IP address is 192.0.2.18, which is on the tracer. The trace number 4, the IP address is 192.0.2.18. router 5, interface serial 0/1/1. The IP address is 192.0.2.26 and trace number 5. The IP address is 192.0.2.6 and the trace number 6 is east and trace number 7 is web.pka as shown in this table. We will go back to simulation mode and go to PC1, web browser, www.web.pka. Go. Then we will see the packet flow. So for HTTP, it will start from PC1 to switch west, router 4, router 3, router 2, router 5, east, switch 0, switch 2 and web.pka, and it will reverse back until it go to PC1 back. So that's all for practical task 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and thank you.